Yo, this is Sammy Brue. I think we can all agree that this lockdown was pretty brutal on all of us. I thought I'd use this time to see how I can grow in different ways. Here's how it went. Check it out.
So Brue is my new project. I love the energy of what we're doing. It literally did start with the first single, Eyes on the Prize. It all just fell into place perfectly. So Brue just got back from their first tour, mini tour. It was the Brewcasters' first tour as a punk centerpiece. Everywhere I go, it's just like, yo, what kind of guitar is that? I'm like, it's a Brewcaster. They're like, what is that? Like, I made it, man. They're like, no way. I'm like, yeah, in 4 days. In 4 gosh damn days. And this is the guitar I built with Kevin Equitz from Equitz Guitars in Nashville. The Brewcaster has changed the way I've written songs. The songs I'm writing on the Brewcaster are not Sammy Brue songs. It's a different vibe. Brue is a community. It's not Sammy Brue. It's not a single person. Didn't feel like with these songs that it was a single person playing them. Around that time is when Crash Test Kid came out. I was playing in like Germany. Then I get a call from my manager and they're like, if you don't come home now, you're not gonna come home for a while. And I was just at home. It sucks, I wanna play a show. Like every artist in the world felt that. What are you gonna do? I was like, I'm gonna sit and learn electric guitar. I'm gonna learn how to solo. I'm gonna learn how to be loud and comfortable. I'm gonna get loud. And so we got loud, and it felt right. Finally, I think I finally somewhat found the sound that I wanted to make. It's like an acoustic if you play it quiet. And I'll use my fingers, and it's a butter noise. Like the slides, the bends. You get it all in, especially put a little bit of reverb on there. But if you play it hard, it'll get a buzz to it. It'll get a rattle. You need to take a solo, throw on an overdrive on top of the distortion. And it makes it really nasty and amazing. But yeah, go make yourself a damn guitar already. Build a connection with some wood. I know, I've seen it all before. I got about an album's worth of Brue songs and an EP's worth of Sammy Brue songs. I've been trying to build it like the yin-yang. Some days I wake up and I'm like, I need time alone. And then some days I wake up and I'm like, I want to wreck shit with my friends. Thank you, Cleveland. Stronger than I hope you'll be fine. Just know that I'll miss you. It's a long way down with you tonight. I'm about to go on tour with Lindsey Buckingham. It's just gonna be me, solo, acoustic. I don't know, it just feels right for this tour. Well, I'm with it. It's a long way down. Like, I want to go out and like play concerts. I want to spread a message. I want to freaking lay it down. Like, wear my heart on my sleeve while I freaking play. Cause that's how it's supposed to be done.
Live for tomorrow.
That's what my new single Eyes on the Prize is all about. It's just like every day, wake up and be like, what is it that I'm gonna do to at least just further this a little bit? You know what I mean?